Okay, hey everybody, this is Mr. Rouge. We're working with Pente, and I want to get this kind of feature where the game will highlight where it finds like a win. I think it's sort of a necessary thing for us, and it's pretty easy to do. So I just wanted to show you how to do it. So basically, what happens is when you start a new game, it goes along here, and it will tell you. It'll tell you that it found a win, and then it'll show you where it did it. And I think it's kind of a good sequence. I like what's going on with it. And there it is. Oh, this is like a capture win, so nobody won there. Okay, but you get the point, right? I mean, it'll show you. Hopefully, it'll do it over here. Just waiting for it to happen. And hopefully, there you go. Okay, so there it goes, and it shows up. There you go, like that, which is good. Okay, so let's see how to do that. Okay, basically what you have to do is, I kind of already have it in the game, so I'll just sort of show you where it is. You have to go to board square, okay, and you have to make a new variable right here called isWinningSquare. Okay, make it private. I actually had this not private before, so make this private, and then make this variable right here, and I'll stop until you do it. Then with that, okay, with this variable, and since it's private, you have to, the game board has to kind of set it, so you're going to have to go to the bottom of, this is in board square, and you're going to have to add a new method, okay, that allows you to set isWinningSquare. So you're going to send it true or false, which is a state, and you'll allow it to be set. So I'm going to turn off, I'll shut this down, or you shut this off, and just get this code in there, and this will allow you to turn it on and off. Okay, and I'll wait for you. Okay, so after you get this method in here, okay, you have to do one more thing in board square. And in board square, you just have to add some code to allow it to draw the winning things when it's a winner, okay? So what you have to do is you have to go to this function called drawMe and go to the bottom of it, go to this method. And basically what you're doing is you're going to add this kind of strokey stuff we added before. And it's going to look like this. Okay, so this happens after the whitestone, blackstone stuff. Okay, and this is basically right at the bottom of this is the bottom of the method of drawMe. Okay, so you're going to add this one little if statement. So if it's a winning square, which is the same thing as saying if it's equal true, then we're going to set this graphic object and use this funky G2 object. We're going to set the stroke. This is why we're doing, so we can have a wider circle than, or wider like stroke width than just one pixel width. And then I set mine to red. You could set this to any color you want. And then this is the draw oval command. So this like will draw like the circle, and then you have to set the stroke back to 1, otherwise it'll draw funny like the next time. Okay, so stop the video, get this in, and then we have to go someplace else, and I'll wait for you to do that. Okay, so now we're back, and then so that's all you have to do with board square. You have to, with board square, you're all done. So you have to go to game board and do stuff to sort of play it. Okay. And where this happens is, whoa, look at that. Where this happens is in, we have a thing to check for a win, right? Okay, so we check for a win, and we call like 5 in a row. Okay, and 5 in a row calls, where is it? 5 check. It's that. So we can do this in 5-check, because 5-check determines, like, it knows all the positions where the win is, okay? So we have this big long thing here where we check this square, and then this square, and then this square. Okay. And then this square, and this square, and this square, and this square. And so what you need to add to your code is this. Okay? This takes every one of these, because if you get to here, then you've found a winner. And then all you have to do is take all these positions and just set their winning thing to true. Okay? So see what I'm doing? So you have to copy these. So what I did was I just copied this, for example. I copied that part of it, and I put it like here, for example. And then I said set winning square equal to true. Okay? And then, this is two of them, so I'll get rid of it. But that's what you had to do. Okay? And if you do it for each one of them, so this is like the second one, you just kind of paste this in here and then say dot and then set winning square. Then find the third one, which is here, right? No, I guess the second one, this is the third one. And then this is the fourth one. So you go like this and put it here, and then you say dot set winning square. And you do this, then you get them all set up, and then they'll show for you, okay? And then the last thing you have to do is just reset this. And the way you do that is by going to, I think it's like reset board or something like that. Where is this? Yeah, reset board. If you go to reset board, you guys have this, okay? And reset board just sets all the states to empty. And now you just add this one extra line, okay? So that's it. And once you do that, then it'll play. So I'll stop and wait for you. Okay, in reset board, you got this at winning square, and I forgot to give you time in 5 in a row to check for this. Whoopee, it's not 5 in a row, it's 5-check. In 5-check. So I'll put this here so you can see it. Okay, so get this done. I'll wait for you. Then once you have this, you can run the code. And here it goes. You might lose by captures. Yeah, lost by captures, sorry. Okay, we'll try it again. So close. So close. Captures again, sorry. Okay. So close. Somebody's got to win. There they go. They win. Okay, and that's that. See? So there you go. That's not bad. And that's it. So we're looking for this. And, good luck with that. And it'll be fine. And I'll talk to you on Monday.